In today's digital age, managing your finances on the go has never been easier, and TD Bank offers a seamless mobile banking experience. Whether you're a new customer or looking to enhance your banking convenience, this guide will walk you through the process. If you haven't installed the TD mobile app yet, start by opening the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. In the search bar, type TD Bank. You'll see multiple results, so make sure to download the version that matches your region. If you're in Canada, select the TD Canada app, and if you're in the US, choose the TD US app. Once you find the correct app, tap Download and install. After installation, open the app to reach the login screen. If you already have a TD Bank account, simply enter your username and password to log in. If you don't have an account yet, tap the Sign Up button and follow the on-screen instructions to register. You'll need to provide the necessary information to set up your TD Bank account online. I also have a separate tutorial on creating a TD Bank account, so feel free to check that out. That's it. The process is quick and straightforward. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.